fun experiment that you're gonna need your grown-ups help for. So remember this morning when we talked about giving our grown-ups grace? So when your grown-ups are able to help you, this is a fun experiment. Did anyone get Peeps this weekend? Does anyone have any marshmallow Peeps in your house? Or does anyone like hot cocoa in your family and you have just marshmallows in your house? This will work with Peeps or marshmallows. And this experiment has to do with applying force. So we've talked in the classroom before about forces. And what are those forces? Do we remember? It's when we apply things to a material. In this case, our material is going to be Peeps. Now, Mrs. Strawhair's daughter does not like to share her Peeps very much, so I happen to have some left over from Christmas. So they won't be cute little chicken or bunny shaped twins in this experiment, but that's okay. So, when we take the Peeps, this experiment, we are going to do two different experiments in one. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to apply cold to the item. So I would love to see what happens when you take a Peep and you put it in your freezer. You can put it in a little Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer and check on it after an hour. See if it's frozen. Check on it before you go to bed. See if it's frozen. Check on it when you wake up and see if it's frozen. Let's see what happens when we apply cold temperatures to what's basically a marshmallow covered in sugar or a marshmallow dusted in powdered sugar. That's basically what regular marshmallows are. And then the next way we're going to do it, I'm going to show you. We're going to apply heat to our Peep. How will we do that? Well, one way we can do it is by going and doing a campfire or a fire pit or your fireplace when we toast marshmallows, right? Most of us know what happens then. We put our marshmallow on a stick, we hold it over the fire, and the marshmallow gets kind of brown on the outside and gets a little bit puffy. Well, when we apply heat that way, it's coming directly to the outside of our marshmallow. Microwave heat happens differently. A microwave doesn't have fire in it. That would be dangerous. A microwave uses energy that warms up your food from the inside. So this marshmallow, do we think it will get hot first on the edges or in the middle? And do we think when it comes out that it will look just like this? Or do we think it will look different? What is your hypothesis? At the end, let me know if you were correct. Okay, friends, I've put my Peep in the microwave. I'm about to close it. My microwave door is not very clean, I'm sorry. Let's turn the microwave on and see what happens to our Peep. Can you see that? Something's happening. It's changing. Oh my word. I have put the Peep in for 30 seconds. Let's see what happens to it when that 30 seconds is over. Oh, let's open it up. My Peep is big and fluffy. Let's see what happens to yours when you try it.